Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are bringing you a taste of Goa with a delicious and savory treat, Goan beef patties. These patties are packed with flavor thanks to a blend of traditional Goan spices. They are perfect for a quick and satisfying meal or as a delicious appetizer. We'll be using a combination of ground beef and different spices to create a hearty and flavorful patty. And don't worry, we'll guide you through every step from preparing the filling to achieving that perfect golden brown crust. So gather all your ingredients and now let's begin with this recipe. So first take a mixer jar, add 3 garlic cloves, add 2-inch ginger, 1 green chilli, half teaspoon sugar, 2 cm round tamarind soaked in water for about 20 minutes, and a half bunch 60 grams coriander leaves, half teaspoon black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 8 cloves, half tablespoon poppy seeds, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon dry coriander seeds, 5 tablespoon water, and blend this to a smooth paste. So the paste is ready. Make sure it is nice and smooth and something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then take 500 grams minced beef, add some salt to taste, add the masala paste which was previously made, and give this a nice mix and marinate the beef for about 1 hour. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 3 onion chopped and fry this until the onion is nice and soft. Then add the marinated beef and fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure the flame is high. Then cover it and cook it for about 20 minutes on a medium flame. Then fry this for about 2 minutes on a high flame. Then add 1 stock cube, add some salt to taste, add 2 tablespoons ghee or clarified butter, and fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add about 3 tablespoons water and fry this for about 2 minutes. Then add half tablespoon Goan vinegar for a nice tangy flavor. Fry this for about a minute again. And then leave this aside and allow it to cool down completely. Then take a bowl, add 1 whole egg, 1 tablespoon milk, and whisk it nicely. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then take a puff pastry dough, and simply add some plain flour on kitchen table. And roll the puff pastry. Do exactly how it is shown. Then cut it into rectangle shape and simply add the beef mix in the center of each rectangle shape of pastry. Then take the egg mix and apply the egg mix on the corners and on the sides of the pastry. Do exactly how it is shown. Then simply fold the pastry and nicely seal the edges. Make sure there are no air bubbles inside. Then simply use a fork to gently press the sides. Do the same to all the others. Something like this. So all the beef patties are ready to bake. Then take the baking tray and place the baking paper on top. Then simply place the beef patties on the baking tray. Leave 1 cm gap between each other. Then simply apply egg wash on top, which was previously made. Make sure to apply it slightly and not a lot. This is just to give a nice golden brown color on top. Then bake it at 190 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. So the beef patties are ready to serve. As you can see, it has got a really nice golden brown color. A delicious and authentic Goan beef patties are ready. These crispy, flavorful patties are the perfect treat for any occasion. Serve them hot with any of your favorite dip sauce or chutney. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.